This is the fastest way to transfer files from your iPhone to your PC, wirelessly and completely free. First, open your browser and go to localsend.org. Find the download button and select your operating system. LocalSend works on all of these platforms. I'm going to download the Windows version. After the download is complete, open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once the installation is finished, launch LocalSend on your PC. Now, on your iPhone, open the App Store and search for LocalSend. Install and open the application. To send files, tap the Send button at the bottom of the screen. Select Files, then choose the files you want to transfer to your PC. Next, tap your PC under Nearby Devices. Accept the transfer on your PC. And that's it. The transfer is now complete.